Hello everyone, welcome to my HTML and CSS class. Um, Today we are going to be rounding up the website we're trying to build. And in the last tutorial that we did, we designed some things. So we need to give them some CSS classes. This section we need to style them, and we need to style this also. So let's quickly do uh, let's quickly do this styling. Then, if then we'll see. Let's first of all style all what we've done first. We'll need to style this and give this we'll give all these white colors. Then we'll style this also. Then probably we can add some things to the footer. So let's get that running quickly. So first of all, let's come to this. We need to change something here. Let's remove this HTTP. Let's just make it 1. Okay. So let's make it 1. So where's the next one? So we'll remove this also. We'll just make it 1 each. All right. So let's save them. So from the top, let's go and start with our carousel. We need to style this header text, this slider header, slide header to slide text, and this slide button. I think it's already started, or maybe just the positioning alone. All right, so let's not waste time. Let's get started with it. So we'll start with this header text. But before that, let's give the the body tag and the HTML tag with this width is not spelled correctly. Width of 100%. Let's duplicate this and change this one to height also. So for our header text, we'll give it a position of absolute. Top, we give it 20 pixels, 20%. Then we'll give it the left attribute of 1.8%. Right, we make it auto. Then width, give it a width of 96%. Then we give it a color of this black, but it's not actually black. So let's give our slide header. And give it this color. No need to type again. Let's just give it this color. Let's look for this is our font. Let's copy it and paste it here. We are using the same font, but we need to change the font size. So let's change this one to 90 pixels. And we'll give it a font width of 900. Then let's duplicate this. The header 2 now. The same font, but we need to change the color to the second theme color we'll be using, which is this. Then we give it a font size of 70 pixels. 900 is okay. 900 font width is okay. So the text now, let's give it this color. Let's just copy this, and we We give it 18 pixels, then make the font with 100. So we go we'll start out this. So let's go to this let's go to this HTT2 and HT, then market content, market heading. I think we've already started on this one. I think it's this one that we need to start. Okay, so HTT2, it should probably have the same class too. So let's just copy all this, paste it here, giving it font white, 15. Let's make this one 25 pixels and 500 width, and the font width. So let's just duplicate this. Then for this one, we have the same thing, but let's reduce it to 15 and 300. So let's save and let's see how our page looks like. Bam. So I think this one is still, we didn't correct this one, so we just need to go and give it the correct property. We need to correct. Our carousel is gone. We've done something wrong. First of all, let's check which of this one is not okay. Which is this one. Okay. So what are we missing? So in this map section that we have here, let's give it a CSS style of background repeat. I'll say no repeat. So let's see, fresh. All right, so this one is in white now. We have this, we have this. All right, so let's go to this one. I'm still going to come back to the carousel. So let's deal with this one. We've already started on this one. So just this. Okay, so come here. What are we looking for? Where is it? Okay, so it has box class and news class. Okay, so let's copy the box. Give this. Let's give it a background color of this color. Where is it? This one. Let's just copy the color, not the C. So here we go. Then we give it an height of 150 pixels. Then margin left of 80 pixels. Let's duplicate this and change this one to right. Then we'll give it a padding top of 15 pixels. Then padding left, padding left of 20 pixels. So for the news class, we give this, let's just copy this one straight away. We give this 30, font weight 90. So let's save and see what we have. So this is the styling that I want to achieve for this one, but this thing ought to be in form control. So let's come back to it. Where is it? What did we miss there that it wasn't showing? Compute from inline text center. Okay, let's hold on. This is it. Okay. The text center ought to be here. Then from inline go. Okay, so save and see. Okay. Label compute class use form control. The ID is this. What are we missing? Okay. Before we figure that one out, so let's add some other ones there. We've added the box, we've added the news, we've added HTT. So let's see which one we haven't had it. I think okay. Let's go to the footer listing. So let's create a section here. Create a section here. We add a class of page section. Give it subscribe. Give it subscribe section. Let's change this thing to small s, not a capital S. Okay, so we give it a div. Give it a div of container. We have a div row. Then we want to have 3 columns now, giving them column LG4. Use large one or column LG4. So let's just make duplicates quickly. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so inside here we'll add an image called img savannah. This one is black, so we have white there. This is the white. Savannah.png. Just in case, let's add an alt attribute here. Okay, so what next do we want to have here? So let's just say, let's have a p tag and call it logo text white. So let's go for a line and just find something very little to copy. Okay, let's go back to our page. It's this here. Okay, so we go to the next column and we have an h3 tag. I'll give it explore. And let's give it a class of contact heading. Then inside the column, we have a div. We give it a class of row. And inside it, we create another div. We give it a class of column LG6. This one is inside its second column, which has 12 on its own again. So we want to make 2 of this one inside it. So Let's just drop this one down. This is the third one. This is the second one that we are still on. So inside this second one, this one to has column. So let's have p tag, then followed by anchor tag, then let's make them let's give them bold. So the href, we don't want it to go anywhere, so we put hash there. So in the anchor tag, we put a class of explore link. Okay, so here let's just put a greater sign here. So inside the bold, you can now put home. So we just duplicate all this. And this one can be contact us. This one can be products. Okay, so let's just copy everything we have here, paste it inside here, and change this one to blog about us, and change this one to gallery. Since we have an home, so let's just make this one home.html. This one contact.html. Make this one about.html. Then we have gallery.html. We don't have other pages there, so let's just leave it this way. So the third one now, let's just copy this one. Let's put this one contact heading, and let's put contact us. Okay, so let me come to our contact page and let's see if we can get. All right, so instead of having to type this thing again, so let's just copy all this one. Now paste them here. But what we need to do is we just need to change all these things to contact info. We'll give it another class. Okay, so we'll save. If you go back to the home page and refresh, so we have it there. Okay, so we have all these things there. I think we are not closing this our href properly. So what did we do? I said so. It wasn't closed. So we'll remove the text declaration and we give it. That's the next thing we'll start. So all we just need to do is just to make duplicate and go and put it in the other pages that would make use of them. So we have it there. So where is this other one coming from? Okay. So this also remove this one too. So we save it. Okay. This contact us is not closing. Where is it? All right. So everything is balanced now. So let's give it a color. Let's style it. I said color. We are not doing CorelDRAW, but if you are interested in learning design, just make sure you go through my CorelDRAW tutorials on my channel. You can see how you start with the beginner classes. So the subscribe section, let's just go and look for this. Let's copy this. Oh, we are going to change the image. to this footer map. So footer underscore map, it is in PNG. Okay, so we need to style this contact heading and explore link. So our contact heading explore link and this contact info too. Let's just bring them out. Then we have contact info. Okay, so for the contact info, let's give them color of white. We are using the same font, but the font size, we'll change it to 18 pixels. So let's just copy this. The contact heading now. We'll give it the color of this is our second theme color. Then we'll give it a font size of 30 pixels, then a font width of 300. Okay, so we've colored our. So the next thing is this anchor explore link. So the anchor tag, which is the A tag, that has an explore link class. That is what we want to do. Then we need to color why am I using color? We need to style, where is it? We need to style this our logo text white. So we need to style that one too. So, but let's start with this one. So let's first of all copy all this because we are using the same font because we've called it in the head in the style sheet there. So we leave it. It's going to be white. It's going to be white. Then the same font color. The font size is going to be 15. Then text decoration, that's this underline. That's what it's called, text decoration, because it is an anchor tag. So we'll remove it to change it to none. None of our product is having this. So we save this. So on the explore link, when you hover on it, then if you use this other color. So I think that's the only thing we need to change there. So for this one, we are doing for the logo text white. We don't need let's just change this one to white. We don't need text declaration. Let's change this one to 6. So let's save and go down. So this is exactly what I want us to add to the footer. So when you hover on this thing, it's not changing to white. Why is it so? Oh, we didn't add over to it. So this one is over. You use this one when it is over. Over is when you mouse over it. So can you see now? So when we're mousing over it, using that gold color. So all these are intact. So this one too is intact. I don't know why this thing is like this, but I just want us to quickly finish up that one. Then let us deal with this carousel. So our carousel has disappeared, but it shouldn't be so. Okay, so before that, let's just copy all this and go and replicate them in all other pages. So we'll start from here, copy down to this place. So our about page, just make sure it is before the footer. Paste. We're not going to put it on the login and we won't put it on the login and register page. Since we have an home page now, what we'll just do, we'll need to go and add an anchor link that will take us back to the home page. So this is our register.php. So let's just make a duplicate of this and put Ctrl Shift this small. So this one will be home. So I can just change this one to back to home page. Let's close this. Let's copy this. Let's save this. We'll go to our login page. We need to add it here too. Ctrl Shift. This you can get it on your keyboard. I don't know the name. Get it there. So if this is our register page that we created, if you refresh all your pages, everything that will be included there will be there now. So from there, we can now link to any page that we want. So from there, we can link to any page that we want. Link to any page that we want. This is our home page, our about page. This is our about page, so it's also there. So that's just the beauty of this. And let's go to this about page and space and give space to this thing. Why is it? Is here. So let's just add div BSP. Just duplicate like 3. Save. Okay, so there's space in between them now. Okay, then so everything they has everything have it. So that's all our pages. So if you use all this link, you can go to your home page. It will take you there. You can go to your about page. It will take you to your about page. You click on gallery, it will take you to your gallery page. See that we've completed our website. So this is it. We click on this and go to the login page. This is the login page that we created. And if you want to go back to the home page, you just click on this. It will take you back to the home page. So if you click on register, it will take you to the register page. If you want to go back to the login page, go here. If you want to go back to the register page, so all these are the work of the A tag that has the href. So that's the complete website there. But let's quickly see if we should. I don't know why this carousel went hiding. Maybe there's a CSS class that we had it that I didn't get. Okay. Carousel coming. What did we miss in our carousel? Because it's not showing. It was showing before, but when we added the CSS class to it, it disappeared. Oh, and they all have a class. Okay, let's start from the top. We have the header, which is closed. Okay, we have a div with an here. Why is this one closing? Okay, so the next thing is the unordered list. Carousel example indicator, carousel slide, data right carousel. The carousel indicators, then we said the list data type carousel example indicators, data slide to 0, data slide to 1, data slide active. Okay, so this carousel inner should be the next thing which we have here. It should be before. Okay, so what happened? What went wrong? Then we have a div of the carousel active that has an image, carousel active image source, coffee slide 2, d block with 0, 0. Okay. We have this header text, medium 12 text left, slide header, slider header 2, slide text, slide button. Or is it because of this slide button? Everything seems intact. Okay. Then we have this carousel control previous. Oh, this one doesn't have an href. It has an href of carousel example indicators. It also have the role of a button, data slide prev 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then expand carousel control previous icon. Previous, okay. Then we also have carousel control next href, carousel data slide row button, carousel next icon. So why isn't it showing? Okay, comment. Let me see. There must be something that is wrong somewhere. Slide header. Did this style? Where is the slide header? Did header text. I think it was when we styled the header text that's where is it? That text position absolute top 20%. Oh, this thing wasn't closed. Even like that, it's not still showing. Okay. If that's not the problem, then what is right? The width 90%, absolute 20 left, right, auto width. Okay, you know what? Let's uncomment this. I said I uncomment. Let's comment this. Let's see what happened. The carousel wasn't showing. Okay. Was it the image? So how do we even know if the image? Okay. Oh, coffee slide. Coffee slide. Where's this one? Even the alternative text wasn't shown. So now it's now showing. Oh, so because of we didn't put, so you can imagine. So what happened was that our images were not spelled correctly. That was why it wasn't seeing it. So now let's go back and uncomment this and see if everything will be balanced. And everything is balanced. You can imagine we didn't spell our name the name of these files very well. So this is the carousel. So we are done with the website. We've completed it using HTML. We build a complete website using HTML and CSS. So please, I would love you to go through it. Go through all the videos on it. Try them on your own. If you have questions, you can put them on the comment section or you send me a mail to my email. My email is always in the description of every video that I'm making. So please ensure you do that. Then don't forget to like my videos, comment on my videos, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So thank you very much. Thank you very much. So I'll see us in our next tutorial. So the next tutorial I'll be doing will create a one page website using HTML and CSS. But before that, I'll do a kind of a beginner's class for HTML. So I will take my time to explain all those grid sizes, the tags, and everything. But this one is a real life project that I just did for a website. So you can go through it and do every other thing on your own. So thank you. Thank you for your time. Please, like I said, if you have questions, please make your questions in the comments section or you send me a mail or you comment in the comment section. Then please like the video, comment on the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. My name is Amos. Bye for now.